Just as macOS 10.5 Leopard came out, Apple was releasing its most influential product, the iPhone. With the release of the iPhone, consumers got a great experience, and enterprise customers that were traditionally using a BlackBerry or some such device saw how good the end user experience could be on iPhone. And so they wanted to have that experience in the enterprise. So Apple very quickly had to, figure out how are we going to enable the iPhone, something that was a consumer product really at that point in time, to be usable and secure in the enterprise. The first iteration of a solution for that was the iPhone configuration utility. So this was a utility that actually you had to physically plug the device into a Windows PC or a Mac with the iPhone configuration utility on there. Once you had the iPhone configuration utility installed and the device plugged in, you could read things like the system logs from the device, or you could install configuration profiles. This is kind of where we first see configuration profiles come onto the scene. And what that allowing you to do is you could say, I want to lock down things with a different restrictions. So there's a passcode on it. I could say, here's the VPN settings, here's Wi-Fi settings, different things around that. Most importantly, this was allowing you to add an Exchange email account on the device. So corporate users that used to be getting their email through a Bez server or through a Microsoft Exchange server on a Pocket PC, they could get their email using the Exchange account on their iPhone. So this is really the beginning of the iPhone, iOS, and eventually then macOS as a result of iPhone making that inroad in the enterprise market, growing Apple in the enterprise.